In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block an account on Substack. So if you no longer need to see content from any account, or if you want to permanently stop any account from subscribing to your newsletters or even following your account, then the best thing you can do is to go ahead and block those accounts. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now I'll go ahead and show you an example using one of the account. I'll go ahead and block it and then unblock it because I'm still following it and I like their content. I'll go ahead and use this as an example. So this is an account that I'm following. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see I'm following it here. Now to block it, you can go ahead and just tap on these ellipses or three dots on top, and you can see we have an option to block this account. Go ahead and tap on block, and you're told that this account will no longer be able to mention you, interact with your content, or even subscribe to your publication. If you are okay with it, now go ahead and tap on block and you'll have blocked this account. To unblock it, go ahead and again tap on the ellipses and then tap on unblock to allow the account to follow you, and also you'll be able to follow them with their publication. So that's how you can block or unblock an account on Substack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.